Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to see Instagram story before it expires. To view an Instagram story before it expires, you can use the peak gesture to preview it without triggering a view receipt. Watch it anonymously using external web viewer platforms or use the native close friends notification alerts. Because stories expire exactly 24 hours after upload, acting quickly with these methods ensures you capture the media before it disappears. Now what you can do is use the half swipe or peek gesture. All you have to do is open that specific story, then half scroll towards another, and as you can see, you can view it at the same time what is there on another story, but at the same time if you head back you won't be shown as a viewer on their specific story. And that is how you can use this feature, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.